And that is the Galaxy Tab A9, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and down tap here to the wallpaper and style. Tap to change wallpapers, and here we got the default wallpapers. Also you could use photos from your device gallery to unlock default wallpapers or the online. To use online wallpapers you should be connected to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. Just let's select one from the wallpapers and select home screen. If you want to set this wallpaper only to the lock screen, tap to next, click to done, and we can see that the changes apply to the lock screen. Let's just check. As you could see, that's so simple. And also we got one way how we could do that. Just hold for a while the home screen, tap to wallpaper and style, click to change wallpapers, and to switch them by the same way, select the wallpaper and select home screen, select on the home one, tap to next, done, changes applied. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.